So now we will try to add a column to our existing table. So first, let's check muna. Kunyari si student tayo mag-add. You can check the student structure via the object browser. Pero kung wala kayong object browser, then sa code lang kayo nakabase, you can issue the describe command. So DESC means describe. And then, ano yung table nyo? So describe student. Then, issue nyo yung command na to. Lalabas sa output yung structure ng student na table natin. Yeah. So yung student natin, we have here student ID, given name, middle name, last name, email, and contact number. Ayan. So again, if you want to check kung ano yung structure ng table, you can issue the describe command. No? So now we will be adding a column to our existing table, and we use the describe to check muna kung ano yung meron sa. So we will be dealing with the student table. So ito yung structure niya. You have here the student ID, given name, etc. And we will try to add a new column. So to issue another column or to add another column, we need to issue the alter command. So gagamit na ng alter. So to do that, alter table, and then table name natin is student, and then we need to issue the add command. So sa all database, meron ditong add column. Need nyo yung add column. Yung column na term, you need to put it. Pero for now, ibang version na ata siya, you don't need to put yung column na keyword. So be aware of that. So we are using the current version na wala ng column na keyword. So we can omit it sa code natin. And to do that na may problem siya, tatanggalin ko muna yung comment. No? Issue natin yung add column ng command para makita niyo if may error. So add column, and then what column you want to add to your database. For example, meron na tayong, na-capture na natin yung name, yung contact, and then I already added the birth date. Maybe we can say na we can add siguro city address. So we can add a column called address. However, address is a composite data type that you need to break down. So dapat structure siya into street, ayan, city, subdivision, village, so on and so forth. And for us, we will just focus now on capturing yung city. So address underscore city ang in-name ko doon sa ating attribute. Then this attribute or column will be a varchar. And then ang length niya, sabihin natin 100. So we will capture yung natin. Tawag ito. City address ng student. Then you can put the constraint at the last part. For example, required ba siya? Kung required siya, you need to put the not null na keyword. If optional siya, you can just issue this one directly. Yeah. Let's say na optional muna siya. So I'll just issue this one. And then I'll have an error here kasi yung add column na approach is already updated. So you don't need actually to put the column keyword. So gagawin ko, i-comment ko lang yung column. Yan. So using dalawang dashes makes a comment in SQL. And then in-line ko na lang yung name ng column ko tsaka yung data type. And then issue ko lang ulit siya. And then you have this database altered, meaning we already added our new column. So to check, we can use again the describe command. And then, call nyo lang yung table. Describe student. And then, browse nyo. Nandito na yung city address natin. And yan, varchar to data type 100 length. Yan, and then nullable. Kasi, optional lang siya. So, for example, the address city is named raw. Meaning, dapat siya, city underscore address. kunyari lang yun yung mas prefer ninyo, what we can do is to rename the column. So to do that, just issue alter table, and then name of your table is student pa rin, and then rename column, then your old column name. So address underscore city. Then i-rename natin siya to city address. Kaya city add ang gusto natin. And then issue na lang to. Then table has been altered, meaning na-rename na natin yung column. So to check again, we can issue the describe command sa student. And there you have it na sa baba. City underscore add na siya. So na-rename natin yung column. Yan. So next is, for example, you want to drop the column, just issue the alter table, and then your table name, then drop na keyword, column, city underscore add. Ayan. And then makita nyo, table has been altered. Pag describe natin yung student, wala na yung city add na column kasi na-drop na siya. So na-remove na natin yung column. And then let's add again the column with a constraint now na not null. So alter table student, then add column. So deprecate, wala na to sa new command. So add, sabi natin city address, not null. Ayan. Para may constraint siya. Meaning, not null, we need to input the address of the student whenever there's a data to be inserted. So issue niya lang to. Then table has been altered yan. Okay, may error tayo. We don't have the data type now. So need natin ilagay yung varchar 2. Then 100 yung length. It's not null. Yeah. Table has been altered. Then to check it again, describe natin yung student. Then ayan siya. City underscore address, varchar 2. And then yung nullable is hindi na siya naka-check. Meaning mandatory na yung column na to. So we already have altered the table, add a column. We also rename a column, and we are able to drop a column.